everyone. Design Studies this week is going to be a little bit different, so I thought I would record you a video from my backyard just to give you guys a heads up about what to expect this week. So Design Studies, you should be done Module 1 by now, which is Introduction to Design Studies. And now from here till the end of the course, you need to do at least 3 modules. And they're up to you which modules you want to do. So right now you have 2 choices that I've got ready for you guys. One is web design, which I'm really excited about. I've wanted to teach web design for many, many years, and I finally have the time now to record some proper video lessons for you guys, and I'm finally teaching a course where it actually can be taught. So I really hope some of you guys do web design. I think it's really exciting. That said, your other choice is to do something called CAD, and in Tinkercad you're going to be doing 3D design. And I had a lot of fun playing with Tinkercad. So I've used previous other CAD software in the past, which is a lot fancier and more full-featured. But you need to have like a proper computer lab to do it, which you guys don't have. So I found this thing called Tinkercad. Another teacher told me about it, and it's fantastic and it's a lot of fun. I went through like all of the tutorials that I assigned you guys just for fun, even though I already know how to do CAD stuff, just because I was having fun playing with the things, resizing, making shapes, and so on. So those are your 2 choices. Option 1, web design. Your final project will be posted a bit later, but the goal is going to be to actually make a real, functional, beautiful website that you could use for your own material if you want to show off a portfolio, that sort of thing. Or I'm actually going to ask you as the other option to find a local business that doesn't have such a great website or doesn't have a website at all and actually make them a beautiful, modern website. And believe it or not, you will be able to do that by the end of this week if you go through the web design. Tinkercad, if you want to do CAD design, your final project is going to be making something 3D that theoretically, if you have a 3D printer at home, you could actually print and make a useful thing by the end of this week for real, which I think is pretty exciting. So those are your 2 choices. You don't have to do both. Another word that's a little bit confusing, the way that Moodle is set up, I can only set one due date. So the due date that I've set for both is the end of the course, October 30th, but you must have one of the modules done by October 3rd. And the reason I set the October 30th due date is someone might choose to do, CAD first as their second module, and then they might want to do web design as their third module, which means that I need to leave the Dropbox open right till the end. So please don't leave it till the end. The due date is the 3rd, which is 2 weeks from today, next 2 weeks Monday, for you to have the module done. And I'm really looking forward to seeing your guys' projects. I think you guys are going to do some really cool stuff, and I'm really excited about it, and I hope you are too.